What's up guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. This is part 2 on how to make a knife hit game on Scratch, and in this video we'll be looking at how to make different levels in the knife hit game. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the code from last time, and if you haven't seen part 1 yet, you can check it out, links in the description. But anyways, first we're going to go to the backdrops, and I'm going to create a new variable which I will call level, and this will be for all sprites. So when the green flag is clicked, we want to set the level to 1. And in the other knife sprite, we're going to create a couple levels. So, as you can see, I already have one level here. I will call this level 5, or I should just call it 5. And this will be level 1. So level 1 will be no knives. Level 2 will be 1 knife. So I'll just drag this here and copy this, and then duplicate and paste. So level 2 is 1 knife. Level 3 will be 2 knives. Level 4 will be 3 knives, right here. And then level 5 will be 4 knives. So this is our levels. So how I made these levels is really simple. All you need to do is just drag the log costume from here into the other knife sprite. So then you're going to copy this by pressing this or Control C, and then we're going to basically create a new costume, paste it, and we're going to take a knife, copy that, and paste it. So then you can position it wherever you want it to be. You can make different levels by adding knives wherever you want. And then finally, you just delete the log, and then now we're just left with the knives. So yeah, that's how you make a level. But anyways, we're going to go to the code. So how we're going to code this is that we usually make it stop the whole game. So broadcast stop knives, and in stop knives, it will broadcast stop knives, and it will stop other scripts in Sprite, which will stop this one, which will stop this script. So we're going to change that, and instead of stopping the knives, after when we stop the knives, we're going to broadcast a new message called next level. Click OK. So in the other knife sprite, we're going to drag a when I receive next level. We're going to obviously change level by 1. So when I click the green flag, level's 1, and then it's not level 2. Alright, so actually what we want to do is in the other knife sprite, when it receives stop knives, it's going to broadcast next level. So instead of it being here, it will be in here. So now when we click the green flag, level becomes 2. So we want to change the costume, and then the game will keep on running. So to do this, we're going to, once it goes to 0, 0, we're going to broadcast and wait a new message. This will be the green flag. So instead of this being the green flag, this will be the green flag. So this will be when I receive green flag. This will also be when I receive green flag. And over here, we're going to take this apart, and we're going to make this a when I receive a green flag. So basically everything here stays the same. Nothing seems different. So what is really different is once we put a broadcast green flag over here. So when we add that, once it stops, it keeps on going, and it doesn't stop. So, somehow we need a way to reset this and switch the costume. So, when I receive green flag over here, we're going to go and drag a switch costume to the level. So this means if level is 1, then it will switch to costume 1, which is this one. And then level 2 is going to switch to this one. So we're not going to try that just yet, because over here it stays there, and we want it to go back to its original position. So we're going to duplicate this and put this over here, so that every time we reset, or when the green flag again, it will go back to that position. So we can try this out. As you can see, there's no knives because this is level 1. We click, it will be level 3, which is odd. So the reason why is the knife stays on for a little bit longer. So to prevent that, we are going to put a wait 0 seconds. Let's see if that works. Alright, so I found the problem. All you need to do is just get rid of this and get rid of this. So in the log sprite, actually, we're going to broadcast the next level message and make sure this is a broadcast and wait. So now that was level 2, and then it's level 3, and then level 4, and level 5. And then level 6, of course, we don't have a level 6, but you can add a level 6 if you want to. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Only a small percent of viewers who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoy the content, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can change your mind later. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Also, by the way, this will be the last video that I will ever make. So, well, the last video I'll make in 2021. So yeah, peace out.